5 ingredients that I drink how to lose my weight. Just leave it in 5 minutes before you drink and cover it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I will say thank you to my subscribers and who watch my video and likes my video. And I have some 5 tips how to lose weight. When to drink this tea? After breakfast, half an hour before exercise, 1 hour before after meals, and half an hour before bedtime. The benefits of lemon: it helps quick weight loss as it promotes digestion and increased metabolic rate. And ginger improves the fats absorbing ability of the body. It helps in weight loss. The basil, it targets the metabolic stress. It can also help with weight loss and cholesterol levels. Green tea, it's an act as a stimulant that has been shown to aid fat burning and improves exercise performance in the various studies. And the massive range of antioxidant known as catechins helps to burn fat and boost metabolism and the key to lose weight. So anong hinihintay nyo? Mag-try din kayo. And thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will be notified for my next video. God bless all.